Welcome to Tax Vidya, your guide to simple and stress-free tax learning. In this video you will learn how to add an authorized representative on your CRA account. Step 1. Click Sign in to your CRA account. Step 2. Click on the second option. Step 3. Enter your ID and password, then click on Sign In button. Step 4. Select an account. Step 5. Go to your profile. Step 6. Click on Add button in Authorized Representative section. Step 7. Enter Rep ID, Group ID or BN and click Next. Step 8. Select Level 2 as the authorization level. Step 9. Select Yes for online access option and then select the checkbox for Does not expire. Step 10. Review details, select the confirmation checkbox and click Submit. Thank you.